Hi there, this is Tom from iCourse. Today I will show you how to make a table of content in Word. You see here I have started my Word document and I want to make some headings to my document. I'll just make some headings and I will make a table of content with these headings afterwards. So here I have a document with a lot of text. There is 7 pages as you see down here. If I use my control and mouse wheel, you will see that here is my document. And I'm gonna make a table of content before the first page. Very well then. So, what I wanna do now, in order to make a table of content, the only thing we need to do, we need to use styles to format our headings. A style is a set of formatting characteristics that you can apply to text, tables and lists in your document to quickly change their appearance. That means that I need to use my styles, and I find my styles up on the top here. I will use heading number 1 and heading number 2 to format my documents. So what I do then, I just click within the first heading and click on heading 1. I click on the next heading and click on heading 1. And now I'll just format each and every of my headings. I'll do number 2, I do number 2. This is just a subheading. I go down and I continue with heading number 1 and so forth. I'll do this in my whole documents. Okay, so now I have formatted my document using styles, heading 1 and heading 2. You will see the styles up here in the style gallery. We have more than just heading styles. You can apply styles for anything, for title, for subtitle, for emphasis things and so forth. So the styles things here is quite a good tool in Word. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in a table of content, and I want to have my table of content on its own page. So I will hit Control Enter just to make a page in front of my document. And now it's easy. I will just head over to the reference tab up here, references, and choose table of content. And I'll just do a easy built-in automatic table number 1. I hit here, voila. Here I've generated a nice table of content in front of my first of the document here now. So I repeat what I did. I put in some styles, applied some styles to my headings, and then I went to references and added a table of content. Of course, if I do some changes to my table of content, if I change, for example, if I move this here, I'll move this a bit down, maybe I'll hit Control Enter to move this to a new page, and I will go to the end of the document here, and I'll move this also to a new page by pressing Control Enter. Now I've made some changes to my documents and I need to update my table of content. I could do this in 2 ways. Either you go up here and click on Update Table. You can update only page numbers or update entire table. I always recommend to update entire table. That means if I got more pages now, I need to use that one. If I just did some changes in some of the headings and there is no change in the page number, I can use the first one there. But I just recommend to do the second one there. So I can press on the top here, or I can right click on my Word, my table of content, and go down and choose Update Field. And I'm gonna come in here to my same. So now if you look at my table of content here now, it's from 2 to 7. I do it up to 8, sorry. I do an update and you're gonna see that now there are some changes to the pages. Okay, very well then. That was the table of content. Finally, I'm just going to show you how you can eventually delete it if you want to take it away. I will go to References, Table of Content, and here you see Remove Table of Content. Okay people, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching. This was Tom from iCourse.